Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Roblox code. This is really useful to be able to do, and there are different types of codes you could redeem it. It could be a gift card code, a promo code, or even a virtual item code as well. But you can do it in the same place. So first of all, come to Roblox and sign into your account as we already have done. Now you need to go to the top right of Roblox. There you should go and see your current Roblox balance, but all you need to do is go and click there, and you are then going to see the option redeem Roblox codes, which you can go and click on. Now what you need to do is go and enter your code here. So for example, I could go and type in Roblox promo codes like so, and I could go and use this one here. So what we can do is go and type in like this. So you need to make sure you agree to this here. I already have clicked redeem, and as you can see, the code has been successfully redeemed. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.